Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a case-bound book that was bound with the cover upside down. This is a Hebrew text, so it reads from right to left. So this would be the front, and as you can see, everything is upside down. So what I'm going to do is cut the case off and flip it, and then put it back together again. I'm going to make a reinforcing tube, which I call a spring back, out of some craft paper. I'm going to glue that to the bind to secure the case to the bind. That'll give it some strength. And I'll also use some reinforcing cloth that we call crash. I'm going to use that to hold the text to the cover as well. At first I thought I was going to wrap the crash around the text and then glue some reinforcing paper over the crash to secure it down, but I think I'm just going to make a piece of crash for each end and then just have it in the fold. I think that might be stronger, but I think I found a little defect here. Yeah, I found a little hole on this page. I'm going to reinforce that. Let me set my place here. Got some Filmoplast, which is a very popular paper repair, and it's archival as well. See if I can get this to fit. Yeah, let me just pull off a piece here. Oh yeah, character is back in place. I'm going to start by making the spring back first. I already cut it to size. It's going to fit something like that. And I'm just going to glue this lip together to make a tube. I use this little sheet of heavy aluminum to keep the inside from gluing to itself. Take a sharp knife and cut through the end leaves. So I decided to glue the crash as a wraparound for the text. And I'm just going to glue the end leaf to the case. It's the next day and I just took the encyclopedias off. And if you happen to notice, when I was gluing the text into the case, I had a problem. I had one side in straight and the other side was crooked. I can't tell which side it was. I think it was this side. I tried to peel that end leaf off the case and the glue started setting and I had to destroy the end leaf, so I had to use the next adjacent sheet to glue it to the case. And I don't feel any air bubbles there. You can't see there's a tear here where I tore some of the end leaf, but I didn't lose any printed pages. Yeah, this got part of the end leaf got glued here. There was some glue that spilled onto the side, and there was just a small tack on every single page. I had to go through and loosen every single page and delicately swipe my hand through to separate the pages to make sure nothing tore. You don't want to leave that to the customer because sometimes they flip through the pages quickly and they're going to tear a page in half. So this one, this might have been the one I followed up, I can't tell. But some of these pages were loose, so I had to go in and tip a line of paste kind of away from the fold of the bind just to make sure that the text holds in. So these pages aren't reading pages. I don't know if this page is a reading page or not. It's the last page in the book, but there's no loss of information. And there is a there's a signature here that's folded away. I'm going to drop a line of glue in there, clamp it again overnight, and there's some sewing that's loose here. And I'm going to drop a line of glue in here to hold that together. So my friend can't have his book today. He's going to have to wait. I'm going to do anything that's loose in here. Just make sure everything is strong. Where am I going to start? I'm going to start... Is this where the signature starts? Yeah, I think it's here. I'm going to start right here and just go through every page and put a line of glue in there. You don't have to watch me do that. I know this is going to work fine. Put this in as a placeholder. So that's it. And also, the spring back is working. So I have extra strength on the spine to hold the book into the case. So I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.